When you're stuck at home and out of your regular routine, it can be tough to look and feel your best. For tips to refresh from the inside out, I talked with our beauty and wellness expert, Grace Gold, from her home in New Jersey. Grace, it is a lot of fun to see you again because your segments are so much fun. And today you have a lot of things that we can do at home to give ourselves that beauty boost when we can't get out to our salons and spas. So I know you're going to start with skin and lashes, right?
Yes, now is a great time to take care of your skin, and getting on a regimen is a good idea for self-care as well. And this is Skin Say. I love this because it's personalized skincare and it's more than just your skin type. So they're having you do an online diagnostic test. They take into account all lifestyle factors like how much you sleep, what you eat, what air pollution is like where you live, and they give you a 3 or 5-step regimen to choose from, delivered to your door. I love it because there's natural ingredients in there, prebiotics as well, and they're giving us code GRACE20 for 20% off our order at skinsay.com. With that code, you can get a whole regimen for $30-something. Also, for lashes, I know if you've got lash extensions, they're all falling off by now. Did you know you can do lash extensions at home? This is Lashify, really great also for anybody obsessed with lashes. It's a DIY lash extension kit. You get 2 sets of gossamers, what they call their lashes. They actually go under your lashes, Amy, to give you a more seamless look. They fit any eye shape. Light bonding tool secures it for up to 7 days. All kinds of lashes, natural, glamorous lashes as well. If you like it, they do memberships starting at $30 a month. Lashify.com is where you get that.
Okay, I definitely want to talk about hair because I'm starting to struggle. I'm really starting to struggle. And truth be told, I'm not washing my hair every day, especially on the weekends, but you have some things to help perk us up here.
I do. I'm in the same boat. A scrub is really great. Yes, you can do a hair scrub. This is thicker, fuller hair. It's their Purifying Scalp Scrub, and it cleanses and purifies. It really removes that product, the sebum buildup in your scalp. It's got sugar crystals, a hydrating scalp scrub in here, and that is going to gently exfoliate your scalp, replenish your hair as well. You do a circular massage from the front to the back to increase pressure as you go. This is $13 at walgreens.com. And another option you can think about is a leave-in treatment as well to really help the hair health right now. This is SGX NYC Hair IQ 10-in-1 leave-in treatment. It's got a bond-building technology that really penetrates deep in the hair cuticle. It strengthens, revitalizes damaged hair as well. One use, 88% of people saw a difference in their damaged hair. It's nutrient-packed and it really gives you kind of smoother, shinier, richer hair. This is a great buy, Amy. It's $6 at Target.com.
Whoa, that is a terrific buy. $6 for that.
Yes.
Okay, let's just do some like overall wellness because I'm starting to feel kind of blah, kind of in the blahs, and I just like to kind of perk myself up overall.
Exactly. So one of my favorite brands is You Theory, and I've got some ideas here. Ashwagandha. This is new that they're making. It's for focus, stress relief, and feelings of calm. Hello, we all need this. I'm taking this every day, Amy. They use the most clinically supported type on the market. Also, turmeric extra strength. I take this to prevent headaches and migraines. A lot of us are getting a lot more headaches right now. It's great to reduce inflammation, combined with black pepper to boost the absorption. And then finally, the collagen liquid. I love this. Collagen is so great for our skin, as well as reducing the look of wrinkles. It's good for bones, joints, ligaments, all that kind of stuff. The liquid comes like this. You can do a shot or check it out. I like to do a little morning smoothie as well, and it's really tasty. And then finally, wellness for the kids. I got a little something for them. This is Firefly. It is so cute. They are making brushing and keeping your teeth clean fun. Again, we all need a little fun right now, right? And they're doing all the characters that kids love. So I thought, LOL, surprise, I've got SpongeBob over here. This is the new natural Anticavity Fluoride toothpaste. Clinically tested cavity protection, 98% naturally derived as well. And then these guys over here, these are the Clean and Protect Power Toothbrushes. They have soft rotating heads. They blast plaque, gum disease, and tooth decay. This is great for kids 3 and older. And this is fireflytoothbrush.com. You can get these at Walmart, $3 to $4.
Oh, another great price point. I just love these segments with you because I feel like I get to like try the products through you. And when something really piques my interest, truth be told, I go out and get it. So thank you so much, Grace, for being with us remotely today.
Thank you. Stay safe and healthy as well.
And thank you to Grace. She'll be back with us again tomorrow with even more beauty tips. We'll be right back.